Hey everybody, I want to show you how to get started on the chapter 1 homework if you haven't done that yet. So your first thing before you do any homework is, of course, to go ahead and set up your ArcGIS online account and install the ArcGIS Pro software onto your computer. You can either do that through ArcGIS Online if you have your own computer, or through the SVC Software Center if you checked out a laptop from the library. Your next thing is to go into this read course setup in the week 1 module. And you're going to scroll down to where the textbook data is. Here we go. And I'm going to click that. And it's going to take me to the McGraw-Hill website. I'm going to click one of these links to download the zip file. And it's going to sit there and download and download and download. While it does that, I'm going to open up my File Explorer. I'm going to go into my C drive, that's the hard drive of my computer, and I'm going to make a new folder. Right-click to do that, new folder. I'm going to name it GIS class. Okay, now this is on my hard drive. And I can open it, it's currently empty. And this download is going to take a while. So I'm going to pause this recording while it downloads. I suppose that while I am downloading my zip file, I can go back into the Canvas module, go back to my modules, go back to week 1, open up the chapter 1 assignment, and get that ready to go. I'm going to download it, and let's see how it's doing. Oh, that one is done. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to enable editing. And I'm going to save it with my name attached to the file. So I'm going to save it as J. Kossler. Cool. And then I'm going to put my name on the homework itself. Now, if you haven't gotten your textbook yet, and it's expensive, so I can definitely see looking for a place where it's less expensive, you can go to this link in the week 1 homework and see a scanned copy of it. Another thing that can be very helpful is to go to the tutorials on the McGraw-Hill website. I'm going to go ahead and click on that to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the tutorial for every single step of every single chapter of the textbook. So I can go to, chapter 1, step 20, click it, and a video will come up showing exactly how to do that step. It is super handy, and it can be a really great reference. Do know that Mary Beth Price, who's the author of our textbook and is narrating these videos, is using an older version of ArcGIS Pro. So you might find a few differences between what you see on her screen and what you see on your screen. But just stop and use your critical thinking skills and email me or message me on Canvas if you get stuck. Let's check on our other download and see how it's doing. We're only a quarter of the way there, so I'm going to let it finish and then resume my recording. All right, my file has finished downloading. So since I'm using Google Chrome, I'm going to go up here to the downloads on the top, and I'm going to open the GIS class zip folder. Now I'm going to click on that. I'm going to copy it. I hold down Control and press C. And then I'm going to go into the GIS class folder that I made a while back, and I'm going to paste it there. It's going to take a little bit of time to paste. That's okay. All right. The GIS class folder has been pasted into the one that I made. Now I'm going to open it up. I've got the class projects folder, and I have the NGIS data folder. Everything here looks like it is just right. Yes, 1,811 files, 75 folders. We are good to go. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is open ArcGIS Pro. Let's open that. Oops, I can't spell. There we go. And it's going to take a moment to open because this computer is just a little bit older and slower. A lot of you might find that to be the case. There we go. Now we're open. Now I am currently on step 1 of the textbook of chapter 1 tutorial. That starts on page 26.